So, you're ready to apply for a home financing? For properties that are listed on Home²u? Just scroll down and tap on Check Eligibility and agree to a mandatory credit check. If you were referred by a Maybank staff, ask them for their ID number. Or just skip this step. Next, select your unit type, enter the property price as agreed with the developer, and key in your down payment amount. Then, adjust your preferred financing duration. Fill in your personal details, followed by your monthly gross income and commitments. If you're satisfied with the offer, just tap on Apply Now, and you'll be prompted to log in for verification. After that, check your eligibility details and tap on Confirm when you're ready. Here, you'll need to fill in and review the property's details, choose between the Islamic or conventional financing options, as well as your preferred financing plan. Then, read and accept the terms and conditions. Finally, review and submit your application. And just like that, you've successfully applied for home financing, and a Home²u personnel will contact you shortly. You'll also be able to track your application and get real-time updates, all within the May app. So, why wait when you can slide right into your dream home today?
It's gonna be me.